We've detected a deepfake, and you should double check all your sources and make sure we're getting the right info. Let's talk a little bit about security and using AI to protect us from all those nefarious attacks that we have out there on the internet. And with McAfee scam detection, McAfee is actually using AI to protect you from the videos that you're watching, to be able to provide any sort of insight into possible generated AI deepfakes or other nefarious audio. Let's take a look at an example of how this is actually working. And here we have our engineer Jim, and Jim is actually going through several different versions of both actual content and deepfake AI generated content as well. This is just a tiny little browser extension that always is looking out for us on the websites that we visit and the content that we consume. We can now see that we just got a little pop-up alert up in our upper left-hand corner there. And so when I click on that, it's actually, McAfee has said, I detect the common algorithms as well as repeatable patterns in normal Gen AI that we're detecting today. This being completely running on the NPU. And so you can see it's something that's constantly running in the background. And that's perfectly okay because the NPU is the lowest power target that we have on there, extending your battery life all day while keeping you always protected. And this is just a great example of AI being used for good and protecting you against the nefarious actors. With an AI PC from Intel, you actually get a free 30-day trial to try it out on your own, and then it's part of the overall McAfee suite. So if you're enabled with an AI PC, this is the type of protection you can bring with you everywhere.